Good morning. Good morning. I'm getting ready to wash my face. I'm getting ready to use the Hydrating Manuka Honey Facial Mask. And you know what I realized? It says one sheet. I don't know what I'm getting into, but it says that it's a natural humectant. It retains hydration. It's packed with protective antioxidants, and it boasts soothing and healing properties. I'm going to try this, and I'll let you know what I think about it. I was just about to tell you that I had washed my face and used my gentle refresher on my face. Then I realized that I used my moisturizer on my face. So I had to go back and really use the gentle cleanser to wash my face. And after I washed my face, then I applied the gentle freshener and then wiped it off. So now my face is prepared for the mask. I'm going to let you see what I'm dealing with. I didn't expect a sheet. Here it is, guys. It says place the mask over face, ensuring a proper fit, contours, and eyes. Reading is essential. I did not read, and I thought that I was just going to be spreading some type of paste or liquid over my face, but it actually is a mask. Look, it's a mask. I'm going to put it on right in front of you. Okay, and I need to leave it on for 15 minutes. I bet you never seen anything like this before. I haven't. Well, you never saw it on me. So I got 15 minutes to wear this while I'm doing what I'm doing this morning around the house before getting ready to go to work. I'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. You guys, I think I look like one of the characters from one of the Star Wars movies. I put my glasses back on because I needed to read what comes next. Well, I rinse my face after taking this off. But actually, I'm supposed to just let the excess absorb into my skin. I should just pat it and let the excess absorb into my skin. I'm just going to go ahead and rub some of it on my neck because I always moisturize my neck as well. So whatever comes off on my hand, I am rubbing it on my neck. This feels good. Apparently, Manuka honey has anti-aging benefits. And of course, I love that. I really love that. I love the way my face feels right now. The last step is just to follow your routine for your face. So I'm going to let this absorb in, and then I'm going to do my face. And we'll see where it goes. But right now, I love the way my face feels. It does feel more moisturized than it did yesterday when I only used my rose water and my moisturizer. So this may be something that I can do, maybe once a week if I had more of this. But next week I'll be trying another mask. Yes, I will. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I especially love God because he's been so good to me. He's been good to me than I can ever be to myself. Have a great day.